What's up, YouTube? This is your credit cousin, Brian Keith. And in today's episode, first of all, I'd like to give a big shout out to our new subscribers. Well, I was doing a consultation with a young man by the name of KB. What's up, KB? Now you're on YouTube, KB. And in our consultation, we got into how to build credit. But I like to go back to Old Faithful, DCU. Now with DCU, there are several things that you can do with DCU when it comes down to building credit. One of the things you can do is join DCU with $5 family and then deposit $200 into your savings account. Now, I tell all my subscribers, when you go over to DCU, open up a checking account and a savings account, two accounts. And in your savings account, you put $200 or build your savings account up to $200 and then do a secured credit card if you have no credit. Okay, that's one account. With the same institution, DCU, we, after we do the secured credit card, we save up another $200 and we do a credit builder loan. Now, let me pull this off the screen because you guys got to understand where I'm coming from. We all love Navy Federal family, but Navy Federal isn't the type of institution, to be honest with you, for people with beginner credit. So if you're starting out and you don't have any credit, let's go to DCU. Okay, I just showed you two accounts that are credit builder accounts. Not all institutions offer credit builder accounts. Not all credit unions and not all banks. But the great thing about DCU, they got everything you need. So I'm going to go back to this. This is a credit builder loan. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. DCU, with this loan, they give you their money. I'm going to move up close. DCU, when you get this credit builder loan, they give you their money. Now, Navy Federal has a save and secure loan in which you have to save to get Navy Federal's money. But DCU, with the credit builder, they give you their money. Okay. Once you join DCU with $5, we're going to open a checking and a savings account. Okay? Then we do the DCU Visa Platinum Secured Credit Card. Account number one to build credit. And second, we're going to do this credit builder loan. Now, after you do these two accounts, family, when you don't have any credit, what happens is this. And if I'm not mistaken, with the DCU credit builder loan, you show your W 2, or you may fax it over, you might email it to them. There's no hard credit check for the credit builder loan. Now, DCU also has something in which, if you're a member for 90 days, they have those quick cash loans. All I'm saying, family, DCU is for you. So I just want to thank our new subscribers for joining the channel, family. We are growing. We are absolutely growing, family. And if you're new here at the Credit Cousin YouTube channel, give me one of these, a thumbs up. Typically, family, when content creators are making these videos, we are talking to a camera with no audiences. We don't even know if anyone going to watch our content. So please, give me a thumbs up. That's the like. If you have a comment, put it down at the bottom of the video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Now, I used to post my email. Moving forward, I'm going to stop doing that because the channel is growing so much to where it's getting more difficult. When you all don't see me on camera, I am helping Credit Cousins. Yes, I help everyone who joins the Credit Cousin YouTube channel. So when I'm not posting, I'm mentoring, I'm coaching, I'm putting in work, family. So until our episode, I need you to be blessed.